Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Asana with Everhour. This integration allows you to monitor exactly how much time you're spending on each task, making project management and client billing far more accurate and streamlined. Let's get started. First, head over to everhour.com and sign up for an Everhour account. During the setup process, make sure the Asana integration is enabled. This connection is what allows Everhour to communicate directly with your Asana workspace. If you don't see Asana listed during setup, navigate to your integration settings and enable it manually. This step is crucial because without the integration active, the time tracking features won't appear in your Asana interface. Next, you'll want to ensure the Everhour Chrome extension is installed. This extension embeds the time tracking controls directly into your Asana workspace, so you can start and stop timers without switching between tabs or applications. If you haven't installed it yet, head to the Chrome Web Store, search for Everhour, and add the extension to your browser. This keeps everything in one place and makes tracking effortless. Once the extension is installed, open Asana in your web browser and refresh the page. Refreshing activates the Everhour controls, which will now appear alongside your tasks. You should notice some new interface elements that weren't there before. This is how you'll know the integration is working properly. Now navigate to the project in Asana where you want to track time on tasks. It could be a client project, an internal initiative, or any board where time accountability matters. Once you're viewing your project, locate a specific task you want to track. You'll see a timer icon or a start timer button positioned right next to the task title. This button is your gateway to accurate time tracking. Click the start timer button to begin tracking time on that task. The timer will start running immediately, recording every second you spend working. Everhour tracks this time in the background so you can focus entirely on your work without worrying about manually logging hours later. When you're finished with the task or need to switch to something else, simply click the timer button again. It will have changed to show stop timer or a pause icon. Clicking this stops the time tracking for that task, and Everhour automatically logs the duration. You can then review your tracked time in Everhour's dashboard or generate reports for billing and productivity analysis. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.